guys, it's Krista here, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about who should hire me and when. So my name is Krista Malione, and I'm a product marketer, an entrepreneur, and an agency owner. I have been in marketing for 20 years. I grew my agency from 0 to 8 figures, and then I sold it. So I have a success story, and I have 20 years of marketing to prove it. Who I work for now, I do B2B consulting for companies, mostly in the software as a service space, in the tech space. I work with individual clients who want to become thought leaders, so I help them with their personal branding. I work with small business owners who want to launch a business and grow it in their first 2 to 3 years. And what do I do for those people? So what I do is I come up with a, first of all, target audience. And this is an overlooked step. Many people I work with think they know who they serve, but when we work together, we realize that that's not who they are targeting, and that's why their sales is lagging. So we go back and we really do some research and some analytics, and we figure out exactly, spot on, who their target audience is. And then we develop a strategy to go after them, so a sales strategy. I do content strategy as well. So we figure out how to prepare your messaging, how to organize and automate and launch all of that. And then we figure out your sales funnels, your sales pages, your website. And then I track everything. So I'm meticulous about numbers. For me, if it's not measured, it doesn't count. It's not enough to say I performed a service. I want to measure the ROI. So when should you hire someone like me? You should hire someone like me right away, because when you're starting a business, what are you going to do? You're going to actually spend money on services, and there are plenty of vultures out there ready to pounce on you. So here's the kind of things you're going to spend money on: courses, Facebook ads, design services, web development services, lead generation services, and funnels. So those are some of the common things people spend money on. And when they come to me, it's because they didn't get the ROI. So the money was wasted because they didn't have a strategy behind it, and they didn't really understand their target audience. So that's what I do. So come to me first, and I'll save you tons of thousands of dollars, because marketing services get really expensive because you're not only paying for the services, but you're probably also paying for the software and the tools. And very quickly it adds up into the 6 figures. And I'll save all that money for you, because you probably aren't ready for those things, or you're doing them wrong. And then you're wondering why you're not getting ROI. You think it's the service provider, but it's not. So come to me as a business coach, and I'll straighten it all out for you. In terms of my B2B services, if you want to partner with someone like me, reach out, because I have a big audience. I know my market. I'm very toned in with my audience, and I love to do influencer deals, and I love to do promotions and consulting for businesses, especially in the tech sector. So no matter what, you know now when to come to me and who would be the person to send. And what if you're watching and you're like, well, that's great, but this doesn't pertain to me. Well, now you know what I do. So please think of me next time you hear about someone who's asking questions about starting a business, or who just founded a startup, or businesses in the tech sector who are looking maybe for partnerships. I'm your gal. So